Are you in school and are stressing which stream to choose after class 10? Sit back and relax, as this video will clear all your doubts regarding which stream to choose. It's that time of your life when you need to choose one out of three streams, that is science, commerce or arts. You may be confused because you are not aware what is good for you or which subject interests you the most. Do not worry, my friends, I am here to help you all. Hello everyone, I am Garima Singh. Welcome back to my channel. Before I proceed further, make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. As per the viewers' demand, I am up with this video in which I'll be discussing about the various streams and their subjects, what are the career opportunities, how to choose the correct stream, and what are the common mistakes one make while choosing the stream. Also guys, make sure you watch this video by the end, as I have one bonus tip for you all. Up to class 10, we study all the subject basics, whereas after class 10, it's totally one's choice. One can choose the subject one want to excel in. First, we'll discuss about the various streams and their subjects, and along with it, what are the career opportunities. Coming to the streams, first we'll discuss about the science stream, which is divided into two parts. Non-medical, we have physics, chemistry and maths, and other part of it, which is the medical side, where we have physics, chemistry and biology. Some students tend to take both the subject as in their combination in order to enhance their career opportunities. But guys, let me tell you one thing. The syllabus is too vast and studying both the subjects can be challenging too. So choose according to your potential. Now let's discuss about the career opportunities that the science stream has to offer. First we'll talk about the non-medical side. We have the engineering, the architecture, the defense services, the environmental science, the robotics, data science, software developers, industrial design, game or app developers, manufacturing and animation. Whereas towards the medical side, we have the doctors, the nurse, the physiotherapist, the nutritionist, the product designer. Also both the stream has something in common to offer, which is the scientist and the BSc courses. For both this career, you need to opt for one subject and specialize in the same at your undergraduate level. Also, you can get the opportunities to work with the eminent institute like ISRO and DRDO for further research work. Now talking about the commerce stream, we have the subjects like economics, business studies, accountancy, and here we need to choose among one additional subject, which could be your maths or your IT subject, and English here is compulsory. Now talking about the career options in the commerce stream, here we have options like the chartered accountant, the company secretary, the corporate law and management, the financial consultancy. Also, we have options like certified financial planner, banking, the stock broking, insurance, the statistics data analyst, the cost and management accountant, and many more. Now let's see what are the subjects the stream humanities has to offer. We have history, geography, political science, English, whereas some of the schools also offer psychology, sociology, fine arts. Now let's see what are the career prospects after 12th in arts. We have options like number 1 here is the Indian Administrative Services or the Civil Services exam. Okay, then we have the law, journalism and PR advertising, the hospitality. Also one can join the national security agencies like FBI, CBI, event management, career counselor, commercial artist, marketing and digital sales. Also we have options like joining the important international institute, working there as diplomats, intelligence specialist. Also, one can join the institutes like WHO, World Bank, United Nations, etc. Now let's see the common career options of the above three streams. that I have discussed with you, the science, the commerce and the humanities. One can always work upon the language skills, because if the language skill is good enough, one can work as translator, the linguistic reader or the writer, and also can work as the content writer. Fields like teaching and business management are always open for all the three streams. Now, let me share few of the steps that will help you all in choosing the right stream after your class 10. The step number 1 here is the research work. Now that you have the list of all the career that the stream has to offer, now it's your turn to do the research work, read the articles, go watch online videos to have a clear idea. Step 2 here is your partial engagement in the activity. Suppose you want to do the degree in law. While studying, make sure during your summer vacations you go and do your internship so that you have a clear taste of the job, what you are planning for yourself to opt in the future. Step number 3 here is to communicate. By communicate, I mean you need to talk to the person who are already in the field. This will help you to know all your questions and also the pros and the cons of the particular job you are planning for yourself. Step number 4 here is taking feedback. Take feedback from your friends, your family members, your teachers. This will help you to know your quality that you are possessing and are the qualities fit for the particular field that you are planning for yourself. Now let's see what are the common mistakes a student make while choosing a career. Number 1 here is marks. If you score good marks in a particular subject in your 10th grade, guys, it does not automatically tell that you will enjoy the same subject for a longer period. Rather, you should go and choose a subject which hold your interest for a longer period and the subject you enjoy the most. So do not judge yourself on the basis of the marks. Number 2 here is choosing your stream according to your family, your friends. So under the pressure of family or your peer group, you need not to decide your stream. If you want to do something different from the rest, you should at least have the courage and prove yourself instead of following the path which does not interest you. So be different and prove yourself. Number 3 here is the fancy ideas. Looking at the movie and choosing the career. Guys, this is really wrong. You need to understand there is a major difference between the real world and the real world. Now guys, it's time for your bonus tip. And it is, keep on acquiring the skills. The more skill you will have, you will be an extraordinary person. Always remember, life is very uncertain. Let's take the example of the current period. Due to COVID-19, several careers went through a change. In order to secure your future, you need to acquire more of the skill. So keep learning. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. That's it for today. If you like my video, please press in the thumbs up icon under my video. And also guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, as this will mean a lot. Thank you so much.